Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, legal advisor at Dialeasy. Welcome to Dialeasy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you the historical judgments related to Article 21 of the Indian Constitution and some other another important cases related to Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. Now let's look at the very first case is historical judgments. If we talk about historical judgments related to Article 21, the very first judgment is Khadak Singh versus State of UP and others. In this case, right to privacy was included in Article 21 by this case. The second one is Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration. In this case, Supreme Court of India deemed the fatal handcuffs of the convicted person as unconstitutional as it suggests inhuman behavior towards the prisoner. The court reiterated the clause protection to the convicted and accused person under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. The third one is Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka. In this case, basically it is a case of 1992 of Supreme Court of India. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that right to life also includes the right to education. This is very important, as we already discussed that right to education is also part of fundamental right? It is also a part of right to life, and it was being declared in the case of Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka, case of 1992. The another is Unni Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. This is the case of 1993. In this case, Supreme Court of India fixed the age that right to education is a fundamental right to the children for the age of 6 to 14 years. Basically, in this case, it was a very landmark judgment. In this case, the Supreme Court of India had declared that right to education is part of fundamental right to the children for the age of 6 to 14 years. The fifth one is Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. In this case, Supreme Court included the right to get pollution-free air in the ambit of the right to life. And the sixth one is Lachma Devi versus Attorney General of India. In this case, Supreme Court made the execution of a death sentence at a public place unconstitutional. And some important cases related to Article 21 of the Indian Constitution are: the very first case is A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras of 1951. This is the case of 1951. In this case, the Supreme Court of India has taken a narrow interpretation of Article 21. In this case, it held that the protection under Article 21 is available only against arbitrary executive action and not from arbitrary legislative action. This means that the state can deprive a person of the rights available in Article 21 based on a law. So what is it is all about? Let's understand it briefly. In this case, the Supreme Court of India has taken a narrow interpretation. The first thing is narrow interpretation of Article 21 in this case, and it held that the protection under Article 21 is available only against arbitrary executive action and not from arbitrary legislative action. What that means? This means that the state can deprive a person of the rights available in Article 21 based on the law. The name of the case is A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras of 1951. And in the case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India of 1978, in this case, the Supreme Court of India overruled its judgment of the case of A.K. Gopalan case by taking a wider interpretation of Article 21. It ruled that the right to life and personal liberty of a person can be deprived by law on the condition that the procedure prescribed by that law is reasonable, fair and just. Further, it clarified that the right to life does not merely mean animal existence. It held that all those aspects of life which go to make a man's life meaningful, complete and worth living will be included in this. So I hope you understood what I have discussed in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. See you in the next video.